Ludicrous Feed is proudly sponsored by mycar, Tyre Auto, Carloop, data to empower Australia's EV revolution, and Hankook, driving emotion. Hey everyone, I'm Tom, this is Joy.
Hello.
And today we're at the Melbourne Motor Show at the Melbourne Convention Centre, and behind us is the electric Porsche Macan, which I'm very excited to go through with you today. Let's go take a look. Okay, so let's have a look at the front to start with. Well, I've got the opportunity. It's pretty deep. Let's have a look at the specs over here. So, it's asking a very reasonable 169,676 drive away, 265 kilowatts. Electric, of course. Let's have a look what else they got here. 21-inch wheels.
You'd hope it pretty much comes with everything for that price.
Head-up display. Let's have a look at standard features. Alright, and technical data. Here we go. Drivetrain, transmission, rear-wheel drive. Okay, performance. 0 to 105.7. I think they're right home too much about it. Quick enough, I guess. Interesting, they've got this 80 to 20 in 3.3. How long is this? It's 4.7. It's actually same as Model Y, just a bit longer.
Yep, and significantly more expensive.
Oh, just a bit, yeah. But hey, YOLO, right? So as expected, this is a very popular stand. Everyone wants to look at the new electric Macan, Bridgestone tyres down here. This is the car that we all compare to, right? Like, you know, we always say, oh, this has got the light signature looks like the Porsche. Well, here we go, we've got the Porsche right in front of us.
Yeah.
Roof rails, so it's still versatile at the top though. Try and get in if we can. Have a look. Maybe we can start with the back here.
I mean, are there variants for cars like this, or is it just you get, you know, it's like for that amount of money you just get what you get?
Probably a pop at the back, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's probably, well, I'm sure there are variants, surely.
Like
different
the Rolls Royce where you can like get an extra sparkly roof, is it?
Okay, there's the interior, very dark. I'm sure that's genuine leather, right? You would think for a Porsche?
Well, but that's not cool to have real leather.
That's true. My pockets all climb in. Oh, okay. How do you feel?
I mean,
Porsche?
it's actually squashier than I thought.
Agree. Look, I'm going to be super honest with you. I'm actually a bit disappointed with this down here. It doesn't look very good.
It looks a little standard.
I know.
And I use the word standard.
You're probably going to call me sour grapes because I can't afford this, but no, like a lot of the Chinese cars we've seen. Just quietly. What is this?
Oh look, okay, at least there's two sharp. There you go.
But
maybe it's just the dimness that we can't.
Maybe it's a bit dark, yeah. Pull that down. Yeah. Okay. Bit too fancy there.
Is it just me thinking for 3 times the price it needs to be 3 times as good?
Well, yeah.
Am I just too I'm not?
Maybe that's the problem I was thinking.
Exactly. Like I
know that it's a very expensive badge at the end of the day. Sunroof, that's something. Hooks, privacy glass at least.
There are hooks, yes.
Yeah. This looks, I don't know, average at best to be honest as well here. It's very hollow. I'm not just doing this to make fun of it.
Maybe I haven't studied enough Porsches to know what the standard of a Porsche is.
I definitely haven't. Yeah.
But I expected more for the price, but maybe that's just...
I did too.
Is that the bogan in me, obviously?
Maybe. Me too. I expected a lot more. Right, let's go to the front. Just realised dual charging ports too. There's one on this side. Let's quickly look at the back while we can. Let's find, there we go, that's the button. But that, I must say, that looks beautiful though. The big Porsche brake light signature.
I mean, it's the OG, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Got the spoiler happening like that. That is what you pay for. That is nice design, right? Let's have a look at the back here. Can you fit a pram, Julie? I think you can, right? Mesh. This opens up.
I couldn't figure.
I'll burst down. I almost got excited. I thought there might have been a spare tyre, but this is probably the subwoofer. It's pram worthy, isn't it? Big enough for a pram?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. 40, 20, 40. Bit different. Actual parcel shop.
Interesting. No, see, that's so you can have your ski gear, isn't it? And your snowballs.
That's right. Correct. And you can pull this latch down to fold it down, and and this one too, that side. Both outboard seats. Okay, look, the boot's not too bad. The design's good, obviously. It's a Porsche. Back seats were a bit disappointing, but let's check out the front. Maybe that's some redeeming qualities there. Alright, so Joy's going to step into her next car. We'll see. Standard door controls there. Trim's very similar to the back seat. Seat positions, powered seat controls. Very dark still, isn't it, on the inside?
Yeah, yeah. And this,
That piano black?
yeah.
Very scratchy.
I'm not a fan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that
Cup holders.
that's lit though?
Yeah, yeah,
that's
maybe.
something. That's something.
The car's turned off.
I think you charge your phone all the way down
Maybe,
here,
yeah, for
and
storage.
maybe here as well. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, the screen just turned off. There we go. Navigation in the center.
Yeah.
I saw some stuff here. We go. That's some demo mode, obviously.
Yeah.
There you go. This is.
So it's
this,
like an integrated screen as opposed to.
I was gonna say this is what's costing.
This is what you're paying
$169,000.
for. Yep.
I think the car might be worth 60. Just very honestly with you, and the badge is worth 100 grand. Okay.
You're paying for the fact that everyone else can't afford to drive this car.
That's right. Exclusion.
That's what you're paying for.
That button I've seen before in the
Yeah.
Genesis, I think. Cruise control.
It's
set.
old school, but I think that's what people like. If
People love
that's
it.
what people like
Yeah,
about this.
Porsche
yeah.
buyers, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll keep dreaming, maybe.
Both sound system. You'd
Yeah.
hope it has a really good
least,
sound
yeah.
system for that price.
Okay, so that's the Porsche Macan, $169,000 on the road. Probably for the base, probably plus when you add a few more things that suit your taste. As I said, a lot of money just for that beautiful Porsche
It's
badge.
just say you drive a Porsche. Let's face it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's very, dare I say it, very elitist. But you know what? That's what people want, right? It's like, I paid this much money for the car, and they'll complain about it afterward, and the servicing, and so on and so on. But you're in a Porsche.
You're in a Porsche.
You're in
Yeah,
a Porsche.
exactly. So
There you go.
tell
Each to their
everyone
own.
else to get stuffed.
That's right. You do you. That's fine. Not for us, but you guys do you. Well, let us know if you have a Porsche at home, or if you think you're buying one of these. I'd love to hear from you. Why you decided to choose one? Very curious. Doesn't suit us, but it might not be true for you. So
I mean, you're not like gonna drill down the numbers and what
No.
the features are and all that because, yeah, like it's not a value for money car, but you're not buying it because it's value for money. So which is
correct.
fine. Like,
Value is
yeah,
completely
yeah.
out of the
No,
conversation
if
here.
you need to look at the spec sheet, you're probably not the kind of person
That's right.
that this car is.
You need to ask how much. Probably can't afford.
Yeah.
Just saying, very quietly. Just like us. All right, thanks everyone for watching. For the Melbourne Motor Show this year, I'm joining myself. It's happy charging.